Hello, 6th grade. It is another wonderful day to practice math. Today we're going to talk about true or false sentences. Let's go ahead and look at the directions and then start solving. So the directions say, state whether each sentence is true or false. If the statement is false, explain why. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and get started. The first one, A, says 4 plus 5 is greater than 9. So first of all, 4 plus 5 is 9. Is 9 greater than 9? No. So this one is actually false. This one is false because 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is not greater than 9, it equals 9. Let's look at letter B. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. Does 18 equals 18? Yes, that one is true. Let's look at letter C. 32 is greater than 64 divided by 4. So 64 divided by 4. If I was to pull up my calculator, 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16. So I can rewrite that as 32. Is that greater than 16? That is also true. That is also true. Let's look at D. 78 minus 15 equals 68. If I pull back up my calculator if I need it, 78 minus 15, that is 63. So is 63 less than 68? That is also true. And the last one is 22 equal to 11 plus 12. 11 plus 12 is 23. So is 22 equal to 23? That is false. This statement would be true if it says 22 is less than 11 plus 12. So my only two false statements were A, C, and E. Oh no, not C, I'm sorry. A and E.